Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today's going to be a productive vlog. I have a bunch of stuff on a to-do list we need to knock out, and I'm just going to take you through doing it. I'm going to do my best to try and knock this all out today, but there's a very good chance I might have to put some of this into tomorrow when I get off work, but we will see. So I'm going to insert over here what my to-do list looks like, and we're going to start working through it. It's about 7:30 a.m. I'm gonna unload the dishwasher to start. And then my goal is to try and get the outside stuff done first because it's supposed to be like 90 degrees. And I know it's supposed to rain later this afternoon. So I do want to get like the mowing, picking up branches, cleaning my car out, getting it to the car wash. And I know that sounds dumb when you know it's gonna rain, but my car is honestly disgusting, like the outside of it. So it needs like an actual wash, and because I park it in a carport, even when it rains, it's not really gonna get hit with anything. So, yeah, we're gonna get outside, probably start with branches, clean the car, mow is my thought. Then when I'm done mowing, I can shower and run to the car wash, and then we'll do interior stuff.
To the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze, and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away.
Changing plans. We're gonna clean the car out because I don't want any grubs getting in there from me being in the yard. So, and just so you know, I'm not doing like a thorough deep clean. It's just the front seat area. I need to vacuum dog hair and clean up the mats and dust a little bit of the, dashboard and stuff. But that's all I'm doing in the car today.
And if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine? From a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far. to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. In case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal.
so I got most everything done off my to-do list. There was only a few things that I didn't get to. Back exercises I'm actually gonna do here in a minute, and then trash to the curb I'll do a little bit later before I go to bed. But the things that are left I'll either do tomorrow or they won't get done. So, I mean, I try to be as productive as I can and knock out as much as I can off my to-do list when I do days like this. But sometimes you just can't do it all. Honestly, I thought I was gonna have to carry this until tomorrow because after I mowed the yard, I was not feeling so hot. I was very tired and lethargic and sore, and yeah. But I took a long break. I think I took a break from like 11 to 2 and then kind of got a second wind, and so I started cleaning the house. So, but if I wouldn't have gotten that, I probably would have just, you know, saved that stuff for the next day. But I do hope you enjoyed. Maybe it motivates you to be productive as well. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.